Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba uyaphila-ke. Mina ngizocela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke mengabe usamusha-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhase-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini usubscribe nje, akubizi imali, kumahhala nje ukhiphe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi phela ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje ezobe ngiy'faka-ke kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke ukuze ngaphuthi izindaba ngowenza njengamanje ngabe ucindezela-ke ibhathini subscribe manje-ke udaba kulethele lona-ke namhlanje sekuphelile ukuqagela-ke laphana-ke phakathi-ke kwe-MK ne-EFF ukuthi kungenzeka yini-ke basebenze ndawonye noma-ke basebenza ndawonye-ke laphana-ke. Lana-ke ngiphethe-ke ividiyo-ke yomunye-ke usisi-ke lana-ke befunda-ke statement-ke esikhishwe-ke i-EFF-ke laphana-ke kuvela-ke okuningi-ke laphana kodwa-ke angifuni-ke mina kuthezwa ngami-ke kuphela nje dlala le vidiyo lena ngicela kulapha sizwile-ke le vidiyo longene ama-comment section-ke ufushe uvo lwakho ukuthi wena ucabangani-ke ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke lolu-ke usuyangixhasa-ke ucindezeleke ibhathini usubscribe nje akubiza imali kumahhala nje ukhiphe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje njengoba ngiy'faka kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke nayo-ke le vidiyo-ke awuyithokozele.
Okay, this reply comes from the post that I made yesterday that the MK is going to be welcoming people from the EFF, from the labor desk. And remember, I was still confused, Dubana, are these people being welcomed permanently to the MK, or is the EFF working with the MK? I've got answers, Gesana. Remember, I said I was going to do a research. Let me just quickly attend this comment. This comment says, they are not leaving. They are working together on a common goal. We are one, sis. Stop this division mindset. We are the reason they formed these organizations about us, not them. Anyway, the EFF has released the statement, and we are definitely not one. So let me read you this. I've got 3 statements. I don't know if they're going to be able to fit on it. So this is the letter from the Economic Freedom Fighters. It says that EFF KZN responds to the media inquiries regarding the EFF labor desk joining the MK party. The Economic Freedom Fighters in KwaZulu-Natal wishes to address recent media inquiries regarding claims that the EFF labor desk has joined the MK party. We would like to categorically state that the EFF labor desk is not joining any political party. Any reports or claims suggesting such are false and misleading. The EFF remains a unified and disciplined organization committed to the struggle for economic freedom in our lifetime. We appreciate the media's vigilance and encourage the public to verify information before drawing conclusion on bases that are unverified. And then there is another one, though, that explains this whole thing. It says that a correct wording, this is just someone who commented, a correct wording would be suspended thugs from the EFF who went around extorting money from businesses around eThekwini will join MK party. There is no EFF labor desk that is joining anything, but few thugs who abused the trust of desperate workers have been expelled from the EFF. So there was a letter released, but not sure if it was a few weeks back. I'm going to read that one, explaining these people who, these people that are joining the MK Ngoku. They were expelled from the EFF. So itila letter. Greetings, notice of suspension. Greetings, Fighter Bongomusa. It has come to our attention that you have engaged yourself in a conduct that is contrary to the provisions of the EFF Constitution, the EFF Code of Conduct and Revolutionary Code of Discipline as a member of the EFF. Amongst violations, it is alleged that you have involved yourself in extortion using the name of the Economic Freedom Fighters. If that is true, your conduct also puts the organization into dispute. You have also breached the EFF Constitution policies and principle in that you have conducted yourself in a corrupt manner to enrich yourself. Your conduct cannot be tolerated, and it is tantamount to ill discipline. Therefore, you are hereby suspended with immediate effect The effect of your suspension is that you shall not participate in any organizational activities for the duration of the suspension and disciplinary hearing unless advised otherwise by EFF officials. You shall not present yourself or make presentation to any media platform on matters related to the organization, including your pending disciplinary matter. You shall not visit EFF offices, contact any EFF leaders or staff members regarding ordinary day-to-day activities and administration of the EFF, or hold any gathering with the general members of the EFF unless advised by the EFF officials. You shall not attend and speak or present and act members of the EFF during the suspension disciplinary hearing. You'll be informed of the details, including date, place. So this was released on the 12th of September when he was sent this letter. So these people that are joining the EFF that were suspended due to the extortion charges or something. So they are not EFF members. They've been expelled. So that's the clarity.